Hello everyone. The next stock which I like for maybe coming next few weeks to few months is GGAL. What I really like about this chart is the formation of this chart. If you see to it, it follows where the very popular Magmin-Evans VCP pattern. There was a momentum followed by a pullback, and now it is making a higher high, higher low, higher high, followed by a contraction. The stock might remain in this zone for few days, few weeks, and the anticipation is it should break thereafter. So so I'm anticipating this particular movement here. See, so the thing is, we can definitely enter at this particular price point, which is around 62, 63 levels. But what I would want is I would want to enter near about the current price levels. The reason being, it gives me a lot of margin of safety. My risk is very, very less. And if it works, my gains could be like really, really, very higher. So what I would want is I would want to enter round about at these levels of 55, 56 and consider my stop loss to be the swings low, which is around 50. That is like $5. And I would target around about 80 levels. Why 80? See, if you see, the price has corrected almost from 62 to the levels of 45, which is around about 17 to $18. I'm expecting if this moves in our favor, it will go back to the same amount, which is around 17, $18 from its current, from the breakout levels. So my anticipation is if we get a breakout here at this level, we are looking for a very good 17, $18 move. If we enter here, it gives us a lot of margin of safety. So basically, we'll be risking $5 to gain almost $25, which is 1:5. We cannot ask for a more favorable risk to reward ratio. And that is the reason this is a stock which I would be keeping in my watch list for next coming few weeks to few months. If it works out, I think it will handsomely return to us around about 35 to 40%. And if it doesn't, no worries, we'll keep looking for another such opportunities. Yeah, because this was a weekend, I thought people who might be interested, in taking positional calls instead of, you know, going to the charts every day. Maybe people who would get time offs during their weekend and they can just have a look at their charts. So this is something which can work for them. Again, this is only for study purpose. This is not a trade recommendation. Do your own due diligence. Don't buy and sell, but put it in your watch list to study these. Thank you so much.